Welcome to Product Critique, the ultimate destination for in-depth reviews of the most innovative gadgets on the market. In today's episode, we're diving into what we're calling the best iHealth Pulse Oximeter, the iHealth Nexus Smart Scale. Yes, it's not a pulse oximeter in the traditional sense, but when it comes to giving you a full diagnostic snapshot of your body health in real time, this smart scale stands at the top of the iHealth lineup. Let's start with first impressions. Right out of the box, the Nexus looks sleek. The all-white finish, the smooth-tempered glass surface, and an LED display that stays invisible until you step on it. It's modern, minimal, and perfect for any bathroom setup. But this isn't just a pretty scale. This is a full-on body composition analyzer. Once you connect it via Bluetooth and sync it with the iHealth My Vitals app, you unlock the power of this device. It doesn't just tell you your weight. It breaks down your entire body profile into 9 key metrics. We're talking body fat percentage, muscle mass, body water, bone mass, lean mass, BMI, daily caloric intake, and even visceral fat. Now, let's talk about accuracy, something we don't take lightly on Product Critique. The Nexus Smart Scale uses dual pairs of ultra-sensitive G-shaped sensors and a proprietary algorithm developed by iHealth. The result? Every reading is accurate to 0.2 pounds or 0.1 kilograms. This is not your average bathroom scale. You're getting precision typically found in clinical-grade health equipment, right in your home. One of the standout features is multi-user support. The scale can recognize and store data for up to 8 users automatically. So, whether you're living with roommates, your partner, or the whole family, everyone can get personalized health tracking without lifting a finger, other than opening the app occasionally. It identifies who's stepping on it based on synced profiles, and instantly logs data to the correct user. Now, if you're worried about compatibility, don't be. The Nexus syncs seamlessly with iOS and Android devices. And if you already use Apple Health, Google Fit, or Fitbit, you're in luck. It integrates with all of them. That means your weight, BMI, and body composition trends are always available wherever you're tracking your health. Construction-wise, this scale is built to last. The 6mm tempered glass top and full bottom cover give it a rock-solid feel. The corners are rounded for safety, and the anti-skid padding ensures stability even on tile or slick bathroom floors. Plus, it supports up to 400 pounds, so it's designed for almost everyone. Using the scale is incredibly straightforward. You step on, wait a few seconds, and you're done. All the readings show up in the app in real time, so you can track your progress day by day, week by week. If you're on a fitness journey, trying to lose weight, build muscle, or just maintain a healthy lifestyle, this scale becomes your daily accountability partner. To wrap things up, the iHealth Nexus Smart Scale is more than just a weighing device. It's a powerful health companion that gives you a 360-degree view of your body. From pinpoint accuracy to rich health insights and intuitive app integration, it's hard to find a better scale at this price point. For us at Product Critique, it earns our full recommendation. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. If you've tried the iHealth Nexus or are thinking about grabbing one. Until next time, stay smart and stay healthy.